Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to schedule a message in a Telegram group with the latest updated method. If you've ever wanted to send a message at a specific time without staying online, Telegram's schedule feature is the perfect solution. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Make sure you're signed into your account and go to the group where you want to schedule your message. This can be any group, whether it's for friends, work, or a community discussion. Once you're in the group, tap on the message box at the bottom of the screen and type out your message. It can be text, an emoji, or even a link, whatever you'd like to send later. Take your time to review the message before scheduling it. Now, instead of tapping the send button right away, press and hold that send button for a moment. A hidden menu will appear on your screen. This is where Telegram gives you extra options for sending messages in a smarter way. From that menu, choose the option called Schedule Message. A date and time picker will appear, allowing you to select exactly when you want your message to be delivered. You can set it for a few minutes later, an hour later, or even days in advance. Once you've set the time, simply tap the checkmark or confirm button. Your message is now scheduled. Telegram will automatically send it to the group at the exact time you selected, even if you're offline or your app is closed. You can also view or edit scheduled messages by going to the group chat, tapping the calendar icon, and checking your list of pending messages. And that's it. Quick, simple, and very useful for managing group chats more efficiently. Whether you're announcing an event, posting reminders, or coordinating with a team, scheduling messages helps you stay organized without missing the right moment to communicate.